Antecedent-based interventions are some of the strategies that we use prior to the occurrence of the problem behavior in an effort to either prevent it or to minimize the likelihood that it's going to occur. There are a lot of antecedent-based interventions that we can choose from, and we determine this as a team based on the assessment data and information that we've collected. Match that to the antecedent-based intervention. The benefit of using antecedent-based interventions specifically is that the team members can prepare those tools in advance, understand how to use them, instead of having to react once the problem behavior has occurred. And so we're able to really develop this toolbox of get the strategies in place and then understand that once we have all of these things, there's less likelihood that the behavior is going to occur, the maladaptive behavior will occur from the student. Some of the antecedent-based interventions that we might be using include schedules, offering choices to a student, using visual and physical structure in the environment, and just making sure that the expectations are clear. While antecedent-based interventions are typically one of the easier strategies that we can use, one of the downfalls that I often see in classrooms is that as the behavior decreases, or even if the maladaptive behavior is no longer occurring, team members decide that it's not necessary anymore to use that intervention. And then as a result, we see that behavior spike back up and people can't figure out why. I think one of the best examples of that is the use of a schedule. So teachers often are very good at the start of the year putting a schedule in place, making sure that we're using a schedule that the student understands. As the year goes on, the student understands his schedule, we remove it, and behaviors occur. It's critical that a team understands any changes to antecedent behavior interventions occur together before we make those adjustments.